In this After Effects tutorial, I show you how to create this text animation. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Create a new composition. Set the resolution to Full HD and in the 3D Renderer tab, choose Advanced 3D. This setting is important because without it, we won't get this specific effect. Create a letter. Once it's selected, we need to set the anchor point to the left edge. Duplicate this letter a few times, but make sure each one has a slightly different shade of blue. Then switch all these layers to 3D. Now add a null object which will control the rotation of each letter in one place. It's important that the null is placed below all the layers. Also, make it a 3D layer. On the first layer, find rotation y and create a simple expression. Multiply the index by the y rotation from the null. Thanks to this, for example, 1 times 20 will still be 20. Copy this expression to the other layers, so when you change the rotation on the null, each layer will rotate differently depending on its order in the timeline. Layer 2 has index 2, layer 3 has 3, and so on. Now when you adjust rotation, each layer behaves differently. We can now create a simple animation using Y rotation. Add keyframes and, for example, at 1 second and 6 frames, set the rotation to 25. But there's one problem. The same letter is not always visible in front. To fix this, select E7, go to Position and set the Z value to -0.1. It's a small trick, but it makes a big difference. Add easy ease to the keyframes. Press F9 to make the animation smoother. Let the letters stay open for about a second, then copy the keyframes and reverse them using Time Reverse keyframe. Add a point light to improve the lighting of the scene. Now I want the letters to slightly shift while closing, so I create a new null object, place it below the letters, and parent all the letter layers to it. At this point, we can create an animation on position and add easy ease. Now we can add the rest of the text. Disconnect this layer from the null so it doesn't inherit the animation. Also, remove the rotation expression so the text doesn't rotate. Apply a gradient ramp to the text. At the beginning, use the color of the first letter, then transition to a lighter blue. Adjust the start and end points. Use swap color if you want to reverse the gradient. You can experiment with colors here to get a completely different look. The text shouldn't stay static, so create an animation on position. To reveal the text, add the linear wipe effect. Set the wipe angle to -90 and animate transition completion. Add keyframes and build the animation. If the text appears too early, simply move the keyframes further in time. Sometimes small tweaks like this make the biggest difference. Let's check if all the letters appear correctly. If something is visible where it shouldn't be yet, we can always fix it. Finally, go into the graph editor and refine the animation smoothness. And that's it, your animation is ready. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment.